Welcome. In front of me I have the Amazfit Active, and today I'll go over unboxing of this product and just a quick look at it. Now, it's also, I guess, the Zepp is a parent company or the other way around, but in any case it doesn't really change much. So let's cut our way into it. There we go. Up your game. Okay then. Peel that off. Okay, so as you can see, we don't have much in the box, just a charging cable and obviously the watch. And here's our device, pretty light. The strap itself actually has a pretty nice material in terms of the feel. It is also a significantly lighter strap compared to what you might actually expect. As you can see, because of the lightness, it's not a very durable strap. As you can see, just with a light pull, it kind of starts to stretch. I have no clue how durable this part right here is, as this will be most likely the weakest part of the watch, which might snap. So if you have, for instance, skinny hands and the watch goes a little bit too low, you bend the wrist, obviously that puts strain on here, and enough strain it could just snap. It's kind of a bad design, but at least for people that like to have a silicone strap that can just kind of loop below it, obviously that kind of fulfills that. But like I said, it does provide you with a bit of a structural weakness to it. Now luckily it is using the traditional watch straps, so you can swap them out for basically any other strap that would have the typical watch strap. If I can remove that, there we go. Not necessarily sure what the actual exact width of this is. That's something that we need to look into the manual, but I'm pretty sure it's one of the standard ones, so we shouldn't have much of a problem figuring that out and finding a replacement for it. Let's see if I can put that back on. Okay, there we go. Now, quickly going on to the specs right here, we are looking at a ultra-light design with a 1.75-inch HD AMOLED display. That's basically what it says on the backs. We have Bluetooth phone calls and music playback, multi-GNSS and route navigation, AI-powered training. I always love AI. Not sure where's the AI on here, but whatever. Guidance, or guidance, I think that's how we pronounce it, by Zepp Coach, 24-hour heart rate, SPO and stress monitoring, and ultra long battery. Though in terms of battery, it doesn't really go into the actual hourly long info. It just says ultra long, not much info there, but there we go. One more thing that I'm going to also say is the watch strap is on the smaller side compared to some other watches. So if you have very beefy hands, I'm not one of those, this strap right here might be actually a bit short for you. So let's see, on the lowest, yeah, that's actually not, yeah, this is probably gonna be a little bit too small for some people, and this is on the highest setting. So I have one of the tiniest petite little hands, and even though I can just kind of go through hand, I'm pretty sure there are some people that will find, dudes specifically, that will find this to be too small. So obviously those people might actually need to swap out the band itself. But anyway, so with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.
you.